Only 1% can solve this. What planet is known as the blue planet? Earth. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond. Which planet has the most moons? Jupiter. What layer of Earth is liquid? Outer core. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. What causes earthquakes? Plate movement. Which planet has rings? Saturn. What gas makes up most of Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Which planet is called the red planet? Mars. What is the hottest planet? Venus. Which part of Earth supports life? Crust. What is Earth's only natural satellite? Moon. Which planet spins on its side? Uranus. What force keeps planets in orbit? Gravity. What is molten rock called underground? Magma. Which planet has the strongest winds? Neptune. What is the center of Earth called? Inner core. Which planet is the smallest? Mercury. What causes day and night on Earth? Rotation. What type of planet is Earth? Rocky planet. Which planet is farthest from the Sun? Neptune. What protects Earth from harmful solar radiation? Ozone layer. What is the study of Earth called? Geology. What is lava after it cools? Rock. Which planet has the longest year? Neptune. What percentage of Earth is covered by water? %71%. Which layer is Earth's thickest? Mantle. What causes tides on Earth? Moon. Which planet has the Great Red Spot? Jupiter. What is Earth's shape called? Oblate spheroid. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? Venus. What is a meteor that hits Earth called? Meteorite. Which planet has icy rings? Saturn. What type of rock forms from lava? Igneous. What is the hottest layer of Earth? Inner core. Which planet has blue color due to methane? Neptune. What is the main gas in the Sun? Hydrogen. What do we call Earth's movement around the Sun? Revolution. Which planet has no atmosphere? Mercury. Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.